Hello and welcome to Craft Time at the Clarksville Montgomery County Public Library. I'm Gracie.
I'm Lisa.
And today we're doing something really fun. What do we got going on, Lisa?
We are going to do straw painting where we blow the paint and it makes a design. I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes.
I'm very excited about this. So we've got 4 colors to choose from. So I am going to drop a little bit of paint all around my paper. And then I will blow it away, and while I'm doing that, Miss Lisa will also pick her colors, but I think you're doing something just a little bit different.
I'm going to add just a little bit of water, just a drop, to see if it moves a little bit better than just the paint itself.
All right, well, let's get started. We do have a little flexi straw that we're using. I don't want to really blow all the paint back at me. So when you see me doing this, I will have it bent so the paint doesn't come back, and I'm going to turn my page and blow it the other directions too. So, all right. They would probably know me by now. My favorite color is blue, so I am going to go with blue.
I'm going to go with red and yellow and try to make like a sunset kind of.
Very pretty.
At the top, it's going to be abstract because we are dealing with however the wind blows. So we'll see how it turns out.
I'm going to go with some green because what I'm seeing here is I might do a blue sky.
Yeah.
I may do the green grass.
I think I'll do some green grass too.
And then I think I'll add a little bit of yellow so that I make my sun. Now, if this turns out, not sure. But that's the whole point. It's just to have fun. So I'm going to start off with my blue, and we're going to see how well it goes. Miss Lisa's going to drop some water on hers.
Water, just to see how it goes.
So you know what I wasn't counting on? I'm going to run out of air really quick on these two. So yes, if I get a little dizzy, you'll know why.
That's why I'm adding the water. I don't have that much air, so I'm going to go ahead and try to make it a little thinner so it'll move faster. So I don't have to use quite as much air. But we'll see. We'll see how it works.
It's going to look like really cool blue blobs. I think I'm going to have to add more colors because I thought it would actually spread a little bit more, but it's staying pretty well in the same area. I'm sure this sounds really good through our mics too. I'm so sorry.
Oh,
I didn't even think about that. Yeah. All right, I'm going to do some yellow
paint. I think I put a little bit too much water on, so I'm going to go with a little bit more paint with the water. I'm just going to even it out a little bit. A little bit more red. I'm trying to get kind of an orangish, because red and yellow make orange.
Yes.
And I'm trying to make kind of like an orange sky, but I'm not sure how that's going to work.
So I would definitely suggest taking a little bit of breather in between.